Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Bajaj Majesty New RCX 5 Multifunction Cooker. You can see what this cooker looks like from the box, from the image on the box over here. This is basically a rice cooker that can be used for cooking a lot of other stuff as well. This particular cooker comes with 2 years of warranty and the heating coil has a 5-year warranty on it. We'll quickly take a look at what other information we can gather from this box before we move on. Some manufacturer information here. More of the same, and over here we have some information but it's kind of obscured by this packing material over here. I will open this box and show you what's inside. First up we have a basically warranty note from Bajaj that you can see, and this is the user manual, use and care manual for this particular cooker. So we have a spatula over here. This particular cooker comes with a spatula. This is for picking up the food once your cooking is done. What's next? We have a measuring cup over here. This is a 160 milliliter measuring cup. I don't know if you can see this. There you go, 160 milliliter measuring cup. This is primarily for pouring water into the cooker. This is a trivet. This basically forms a partition between the different bowls when you're going to cook. This is the lid that goes on top of the cooker. There you can see, it goes on top of the cooker. So this is the cooking pan. This is where most of the cooking happens. All your food ingredients will go into this and then you will put this on the cooker and it will start cooking. This too has a capacity of 1.8 liters as it's mentioned inside. There you can see. So use this particular measuring cup to pour water here for when you want to start your cooking. And finally we have the cooker itself. This is the cooker. It comes with this heating plate inside. This is your heating plate, which has a 5-year warranty, as I mentioned earlier. Also, I should like to mention that the capacity of this cooking pan right over here is 1.8 liters, and this heating coil has an output power of 550 watts. So this is what the cooking pot actually looks like. So this is where the cooking pan will go on top of this, and then this cooker will start working its magic. And all you have to do is turn it on from here. So once you turn it on, this light will glow, and once you're done, it will switch off. This also comes with a pretty lengthy cable with a 3-pin socket on one end, 3-pin jack on one end. There you go. So what you do is you put all your ingredients in the cooking pan over here. You can separate different layers using the trivet as well. And once you're done putting all your ingredients in, you put the lid on top and then you start cooking. And this is it. This is what you'll find inside the box containing the Bajaj Majesty New RCX 5 Multifunction Cooker. Thank you for watching.